In Brazil, a simple yet revolutionary solution is turning trash into a shield for communities. Worn-out tires, often discarded in landfills or rivers, are now being stacked into flood-resistant walls to protect villages from seasonal floods. Each tire acts as a durable, water-resistant barrier, able to withstand the force of rushing water while keeping homes and infrastructure safe. The concept started in flood-prone regions where conventional barriers were too expensive or impractical. Villagers discovered that rubber tires, abundant and nearly indestructible, could be repurposed to form strong interlocking walls. Over time, these structures have proven remarkably effective, saving lives and property during heavy rains. Beyond flood protection, this initiative has an environmental impact. Millions of tires that would otherwise pollute rivers or release toxic chemicals into the soil are now being recycled into life-saving infrastructure. It's a brilliant example of sustainable innovation meeting urgent humanitarian need. By turning waste into protection, Brazil is not just preventing floods, it's inspiring communities worldwide to rethink how trash can be transformed into life-saving solutions.